Hello everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and today we're going to be talking about what can you actually drive if you have a CDL Class A license. So a lot of people are looking to get a CDL and they don't really know what they're actually able to drive. So a CDL stands for Commercial Driver's License, right? And a Class A is the highest type of license that you can actually get. So if you're looking to get yourself a CDL Class A license, now you have to decide, okay, what can I actually drive? So the cool thing about a CDL Class A license, most commonly you can drive something like this, which is a tractor-trailer. But you can also drive different specialty vehicles, for instance like this double and triple trailers right over here, right? So that's more vehicles. And the actual definition behind a CDL Class A means you get to drive any vehicle that weighs more than 26,000 pounds and has a trailer that weighs more than 10,000 pounds, right? So as long as that vehicle fits that criteria, you can actually drive it. Some of the things that gets misconstrued is going to be like this pickup truck with a car carrier behind it. So this is actually considered a CDL Class A vehicle, simply because the entire vehicle, when it comes to the pickup truck plus the trailer plus the load, is going to be more than 26,000 pounds, and the trailer actually weighs more than 10,000 pounds. And if you fit that criteria, you actually need a CDL Class A for that. Now the other cool thing about actually having a CDL Class A is that you actually get to drive Class B vehicles as well. So Class B means you get to drive things like box trucks, dump trucks, cement trucks, even garbage trucks, and a whole bunch of other things as well. And those Class B classifications is anything that weighs more than 26,000 pounds, that has no trailer, or the trailer weighs less than 10,000 pounds. So if you have a Class A, you're the Big Mac daddy of it, and you can drive pretty much anything that you want. Class A or Class B. Anything that weighs more than 26,000 pounds and has a trailer that weighs more than 10,000 pounds. That's right. So if you actually are about to take the written test, that's probably going to be one of the questions on the test itself, so you're welcome. And I hope that this helped you out. And let me know if you have any questions. Comment below, and we're definitely here to help you out. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.